Hi everyone. I'm about to do a review on ECW Barely Legal 1997. It was ECW's very first pay-per-view ever. It was at the ECW Arena in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The commentator solo was Joey Styles, which is very rare to do a solo. And before I get started, like us on Facebook, facebook.com/Wrestling Rampage. Go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, Wrestling Rampage. The opening contest was an ECW Tag Team title match, pitting the Dudley Boys versus the Eliminators, Saturn and Cronus. The Dudley Boys delivered a great heel promo before the match. The Eliminators win the ECW Tag Team titles. Match number 2, it was supposed to be Chris Candido, but he got injured, so it was Lance Storm versus Rob Van Dam. Rob Van Dam was a replacement to Chris Candido. It was a great match to be a fill-in match, to be honest with you. It was a really great match. Match number 3, a huge 6-man tag from Michinoku Pro Wrestling. It was Great Suzuki versus Gran Hamada and Nakashige versus Terry Boy, Dick Togo, and Taka Michinoku. It was a fast-paced, high-energy contest, and the winners were Great Suzuki, Gran Hamada, and Nakashige. Match 4 was an ECW TV title match, pitting Shane Douglas versus Pitbull 2. The match was to get revenge on Shane Douglas for breaking Pitbull 1's neck, and it isn't a very good match. Winner and still TV champion was Shane Douglas. The 5th match was Taz versus Sabu. A long-awaited match, claimed to be match of the century. It truly was a match of the century. Had chairs, tables, brawling in the fans. Taz wins here, and Taz gets attacked by Rob Van Dam and Sabu after the match. Match 6 was a big 3-way dance, and the winner here gets a big ECW World Title match against Raven later in the night. It was Steven Richards versus the Sandman versus Terry Funk. But a little side note here, Tommy Dreamer was supposed to be in the match, but gave up his spot to his mentor, Terry Funk. And Terry Funk picks up the Duke. And a big match 7, pit ECW World Title match. Raven versus Terry Funk. Beaten and blooded Funk against a fresh Raven. And for another funny blooper here, I thought it was funny. I don't know if you all do, but the ref messed up the finish here. Alright. Tommy Dreamer did a huge DDT, and the ref counted the 3 here. Alright? And the bell rung. But then Terry Funk rolls him up in a roll-up, and the ref counts again a 3. And Terry Funk wins the ECW World Heavyweight Championship. And that was our review for ECW Barely Legal 97. And before I get finished here, I would like to say, go to facebook.com/Wrestling Rampage. Like us on Facebook. Go to youtube.com and subscribe to Wrestling Rampage. Thanks for watching.